So what is up, in this video we are going to show you how to add bank account to your Wise account. Now of course you need to have a Wise account here, and as you can see we have one. And to add a bank account, it's very easy. All you need to do is click on your initials or your name here on the upper right corner of the screen like so, and this pop-up will appear. And what you want to do next is click on settings. Now once you click on settings, this will be the settings page that will be brought to. Now what you need to do next is click on connected accounts. So it says here tools, platforms, and banks connected to your Wise account. So click on this, and here you're going to be able to connect your bank account. Now there is a problem though, because if you click on connect your bank account, these are the only available countries in which banks are allowed to connect to Wise. So either you're in America, in the UK, or in Canada. As you can see here, other banks are not supported. So if you are in Canada, the UK, and America, you just need to follow the process. It's very straightforward. It's not hard. Of course, you need to put in your bank account information, so on and so forth, and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.